5 well-known celebrities have bravely taken on the task of learning Welsh. Here is Colin Jackson's unique journey.
We had Welsh as Welsh lessons from the age of 4, so I heard Welsh quite a lot. When I went from primary to secondary school, French and German were the language that was introduced to us then, and I thought to myself, well, I'll try something new. And that's when I completely lost the grasp of Welsh. I'm hoping that I'll learn a lot along the way. I think immersion is the only way to do it, and if you keep practicing, then I think you'll enjoy the whole experience. So for me, I'm excited of going around, seeing my country and using the language.
His starting point is Aberaeron, childhood home of his mentor, Eleri Sean.
Wel, ni gyd yn nabod Colin Jackson, yr athletwr, ni gyd yn nabod Colin Jackson, y gohebydd wrth gwrs, y sylwebydd chwaraeon, ond sa'n nabod Colin Jackson y dyn. Hello, Colin! O, ti'n o'r ein?
Dwi wedi blino.
Ti di blino'n gyrru? Coffi?
O, dwi'n hoffi coffi.
O'n i gofyn i gweud na.
Well, that's a good Welsh start for Colin. But there's no time for coffee now, as each day Eleri will give Colin a task to help him on his language journey. This morning's task is to teach hurdles to secondary school pupils. In Welsh, of course.
So, heddiw, redeg bach, und dim redeg araf.
Dim araf, mae pawb yn gorfod mynd full pelt.
Full.
Full pelt.
Excellent Welsh from Eleri, the mentor.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hwyr.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Well done, Colin, you've obviously taught them well. Now, time for some friendly competition between the Welsh student and the mentor.
O'r machiau, barod, ewch! Pa ger wyt ti mewn? Which gear were you in? Pa ger? 1 a 2? Da iawn! Diolch yn fawr iawn, bawb! Da iawn!
Colin may be quick over the hurdles, but he's discovered a stumbling block with learning Welsh.
Un problem?
Yeah.
Dwi? No, na. Allai ddim cofio. Allai ddim cofio sut i siarad Cymraeg. Achos dwi'n nervous.
Nervous. Yeah.
Ond
Ond.
dwi'n meddwl trio perfection.
Mae e'n rhan o dy DNA. Yeah, is it part of your DNA?
True.
Perfectionist.
True.
You don't become a world champion hurdler without being a perfectionist. So there's nothing wrong with that. But you're not going to get there.
Being a perfectionist.
No, you're going to have years of learning Welsh.
Yeah.
Okay,
So stop beating myself up. Yeah.
The pair are on their way to Aberystwyth for Colin's next task, and this is a big one, being interviewed for Radio Cymru. Will Colin put his need for perfection to one side to be able to chat in Welsh with presenter Ifan Jones-Evans?
Edward H Davies ac ar y ffordd yma'r BBC Radio Cymru. A ngwestai arbennig i yma'n studio Aberystwyth yw Colin Jackson ac Eleri Sean. Shwd i chi'ch dau?
Shwmai.
Colin, wyt ti'n iawn heddiw?
Da iawn indeed.
Wyt ti, Colin, wedi ennill medalau aur, wyt ti wedi bod yn bencampwr byd yn y byd athletau. Shwt mae dysgu Cymraeg yn cymharu i fod yn athletwr proffesiynol?
Man.
Anodd?
Man. Anodd iawn.
Pa rhan o dysgu Cymraeg sydd yn anodd? Be sy'n anodd amdano fe?
A lot to take in at once.
Yes.
Especially when you're old.
Ti ddim yn hen.
Ti'n mo beth, wi just yn meddwl bod e'n ei job yn ffantastig. Achos, dim ond Davies mae e wedi bod yn dysgu.
Anhygoel.
Wi'n taflu'r cwbl ato fe. Ac mae e jyst yn trial dal popeth. Ond mae e, ti'n bod, fi'n fan. Fi'n fan o Colin Jackson. Fi'n cofio fe'n ennill y medalau air.
Dwi'n trio siarad Cymraeg.
Ac mae e'n jyst yn bleser. Mae e'n bleser, mae e'n anrhydedd i fi cael bod yn ei gwmni fe ac yn helpu fe rhywfaint.
Da iawn, Colin. You deserve a medal for doing so well there. Next stop on the journey is Gwersyll yr Urdd Llangrannog, where Colin will be given a task in the morning. But before that, he can relax for a while and show Eleri some of his Strictly Come Dancing moves.
Nôl. Mlan. Mlan. Nôl. Nôl. O!
Iawn, iawn, iawn.
Ti'n iawn, Colin, bach? Oh my God, my darling! Oh!
Yn da iawn.
Da iawn, Colin!
Da iawn.
Colin Jackson! Gwych!
Right, back to the task of practicing your Welsh. And today's task is to help out at Llangranog's ski cabin.
Beth yw size taid di boots? What size are you for boots? 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Sgio heddiw? Or snowboard?
Ski.
Oh, sgio. Okay. So, beth size?
4.
4. Ti'n joio Llangrannog?
Dwi'n hoffi Llangrannog achos mae'n hoel.
Oh, good. Da iawn, da iawn. Siarad Cymraeg, da iawn.
Da iawn.
Yes. How are you?
Dim man.
Sut mae'n?
Sut man?
Da.
Da?
Ie.
No. Oh, da iawn, diolch. Da iawn, diolch.
Wyt ti'n hoffi sgio?
Dwi'n hoffi sgio. Yeah.
He's doing well, isn't he? Time for one more customer before Colin gets the chance to hit the slopes.
Serfiwch yma. Yeah, diolch. Nawr, hiwr. Mawr.
Colin, mae fe'n drwm.
Drwm yn
Drwm. Efi. Yeah. Colin, nes ti ffantastig fyna. O ti'n creu sgwrs. Yeah? You were conversing. It was fantastic. So, ti'n heiddi egwyl nawr, okay? Ti'n ffansio ras lan top?
Na.
Yeah, dim on. Yeah, dim on. Ond bydda'n araf i fi, right? Okay.
I'm not sure Eleri will win any skiing races if she can't get to the top of the slope. And they're off. And who should take the lead, of course, but Welsh learner of the day, Colin Jackson.
Cinio?
After hitting the slopes, it's back to hitting the road, and to Colin's final and biggest challenge, commentating in Welsh live at the Welsh Indoor Junior Championships.
Please welcome Colin Jackson.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Pnawn da, Colin Jackson yma. Naw te. Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. Dwi'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg. Pwblwc, all the runners. And throwers and jumpers too.
All of Colin's hard work over the last several days has led up to this moment. But will he be able to perform under pressure?
Mae hwn yn gyhoeddus o gwmpas pobl mae fe'n nabod. Be mae fe'n neud nawr, wrth gwrs, wyt ti'n meddwl am y geiriau i ddefnyddio yn y ras. Ni wedi bod yn ymarfer, beth fel dechrau da, techneg da, mae'n agos ar enillydd yw, achos saith eiliad bydd y ras drosto.
Dwi'n hoffi ras nesa. Chwaraedig, meter dros y clywidi.
With so little time to say anything, it's lucky that only 3 are running this race. On your marks, ready, go!
Come on, Tyree!
Okay, close race. And y pedwar. Lôn pedwar, Jamie. Jamie Shooter. Edrychwch ar y gloc. 811. Da iawn. PB. Da iawn, Jamie.
Phew. That task would be difficult in any language. Good work, Colin.
Eli, ti wedi gwneud y dasg? Ti'n teimlo?
Ti... Mae eisiau fi crio nawr.
Ti teimlo'n emosiynol? Ti eisiau gorwedd lawr? Gorwedd lawr? Lie down?
Nawr te. What's my favourite saying now? Dwi'n...
Wedi blino. Oh, go ei, dyr yma. Well done, da iawn.
Colin hasn't realised that there's a special person in the audience, his sister, the actress Suzanne Packer, who's previously learned Welsh.
Dwi wedi clywed
Na.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So,
Da iawn. Ti wedi mwynhau y cyfres?
honestly, dwi'n joio.
Oh, good.
Dwi'n joio. Achos Eleri.
Mae di bod yn ffantastig. Wir i ti. Mae di bod yn
Ie,
ffantastig.
llawer o hwyl.
O, ni wedi cael lot o sport.
Ie.
Mae eisiau fi ymarfer gyda ti.
Gyda ti. Ie.
Okay?
Iawn.
Promise?
Wrth gwrs. Bob dydd.
Okay. Diolch.
Bob dydd.
Diolch.
A gwylio pobl y cwm gyda fi.
Ffantastig.
Heb i steitlau.
Okay. High five. Pimp uchel.
Alhechol.
Pimp uchel.
After 4 days of challenges and lots of laughter, what better way to end the trip than with a walk on Penarth Pier?
Mae Colin, mae'r daith ar fi'n dod i ben. Faint i ti wedi joio y 4 diwrnod diwetha yma?
Oh, man. Where do I begin?
Yeah?
Dwi wedi joio
Yeah.
dysgu siwr i siarad Cymraeg gyda ti.
Oh.
Diolch yn fawr. I was really good to see the language of the country that I represented in so many years and so many occasions work. And for me now, I really believe that learning this language will help me enjoy the country that I was born in and I love even more.
Yeah.
So diolch yn fawr in helping me on that journey.
Colin, mae di bod yn bleser. It's been such a pleasure. Llon gyfarchiadau mawr i ti, right? A fi eisiau ti i gadw i fynd. All right, dal ati. I've been saying that to you, hwnna. Dal ati. Ond mae yna un peth arall.
Ooh, okay.
Dim task, right? Ond anrheg, all right? Okay. Anrheg iaith ar daith.
Iaith ar daith, okay.
Ti eisiau agor y bocs? Dyma ni, agor y bocs.
Ah, diolch yn fawr.
Nawr te.
Edrychwch.
Ti'n gwybod beth yw hwnna? Cerdd yw e, ond cerdd arbennig iawn. Special poem called An Englyn, all right? And it's been written by one of Wales's greatest poets, Mary Hopwood, and I'm going to read it to you, okay? All right? Gam wrth gam mae dysgu hun, ara bach agor byd o gwmni, ac ar ben taith dy iaith di cei wlad tu hwnt i'r clwydi. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Diolch yn fawr.
Oh, sorry, I'm really emotional. That's gorgeous. It's you supposed to cry, not me. Okay. Right, okay. You'll get this one day, right? You'll get the understanding and how the language can move somebody.
Yeah.
You know?
For sure.
You know?